Are you looking for a supplier who can undertake small and medium-sized customization with reliable quality? Do you also need a professional manufacturer with efficient communication skills to produce specialized LED lighting and power supplies?
Damavo is a world-class manufacturing facility located in Huizhou, China. We are very proud of our ongoing relationship with over 300 customers from 50 countries because of our exceptional global service.
Our customers are always innovating and coming up with new ideas. We are also keen to support them and bring their ideas to life. Damavo keeping abreast of industry trends. We customize and independently develop more than 100 new products every year. We provide high-quality lamp lighting and power supply products. The quantity ranges from 1 piece to 100,000 pieces. We can also design products according to your specific product needs. We have a strong and stable supply chain and cooperate sincerely with suppliers for common progress. We have long-term cooperation with internationally renowned raw material suppliers with guaranteed quality and low cost. We have 5 production lines with a monthly capacity of 500,000 pieces, including 1 automated production line to ensure product quality. Each product is strictly checked by the IATF 16949 production process. We use the advanced equipment to provide you with a variety of services, including SMT, injection molding, high-frequency welding, plug-in welding, automatic screw locking, automatic gluing, laser engraving, etc. To ensure product quality, we will conduct a 100% semi-finished product performance test, 100% finished product performance test, and 100% agent test for each batch of product. In addition, to ensure perfect product performance, 5 to 10 products will be selected for rigorous destructive testing during each batch production. No matter what channel you ship through, we will deliver the product to next station completely and check the whole process until you receive the goods. Our company has successfully obtained the Quality Management System certification under the ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 standards. The products have obtained E-Mark R10, R118, CE, ROHS, and fire protection certification under railway standards. With a global customer network, we have established long-term partnerships with manufacturers and dealers from various fields, including automobiles, buses, recreational vehicles, motorcycles, forklift, excavators, cranes, tractors, agricultural vehicles, wheelchairs, garden equipment, campsites, ships, airplanes, subway stations, airports, and public places construction. Welcome to connect with us.